Did the last storm cause tree damage on your property? Do you suspect one of your trees has died or perhaps just lost a branch? Fort Worth Tree Removal offers a professional arborist service that can quickly assess the condition and solution for any tree on your property. Our staff has over 20 years of experience in the local area, and we've probably already done work for your neighbor. The life of a tree can sometimes be saved with a simple treatment, or if removal is needed, special equipment will be required. We handle all types of jobs all year round, and we also understand that trees are a beautiful part of life here in Fort Worth, Texas and surrounding areas, and we can help you choose your best option, whether it be removal or tree care, to keep your home looking its best. So call Fort Worth Tree Removal at 817-339-6878, and we'll send one of our tree specialists right to your home and give you a free, no obligation estimate.